Hello, my name is Andrei, and today we are gonna learn how to do the crochet chain. To do this, I'm gonna wrap my yarn around the hook and I'm gonna pull it through the stitch. Let's do that again. So I'm gonna wrap the yarn behind and around the hook, and then I'm just gonna pull this through. So we have two chains there. Let's do that again. I'm gonna wrap around the hook, and then I'm gonna just pull this yarn through. So this is the crochet chain. If you need to do a space chain or chain space, you're gonna count the number of stitches you have from this chain. So it's gonna be, let's do a chain space of 2, 1, 2, and then I'm gonna insert the hook in the third stitch here, and I'm gonna do a single stitch. Single crochet stitch here. So now we have a chain space here. So this is used for buttons or anything you want to add in that hole there. That's it. Thanks for watching.